Hey, what lobby are you in? Okay, I got kicked. Quality. Yeah, I got kicked again.
Carl the creeper, more like Carl the weeping about a pet death. Okay, we got a bunch of eggs and we got a
blocked my egg.
bunch of ramen. Hey, where the heck is my shield like auto? Don't put that on YouTube, please. I'll be exposed. No, don't expose me.
He's a furry though, so not my type.
No.
Gay.
And then you might.
I lagged in wrong. Okay,
I can't see
bye.
I cannot see anyone.
I know.